Hi everyone, I give you a review here on these 24-ounce cereal ceramic bowls. These are dishwasher and microwave safe. They're eco-friendly ivory white porcelain and timeless round shape. This adds to a great sophisticated to any table setting you're trying to go within. It's very nice and clean. It has a very smooth glazed look, so it won't leave any stains, easy to clean up. Looks great sitting on any table. Definitely a multi-use, with these bowls here too. So you're looking for a good porcelain bowl that's microwave and dishwasher safe. Definitely check these bowls out.